Hello everyone, I'm Sonam Sandhu from PTE Made Easy, and in this session we are going to focus on one of the most important tasks of PTE listening module, highlight incorrect words. I'm pretty sure if you watch this video until the end, you are going to practice two tasks with me and you'll score full marks in this task after watching this video. So please do not miss even a single part. And there is one thing which I am going to mention here, that's the strategy. So for highlight incorrect words, I would suggest you all to simply listen to the audio carefully and move the cursor along with the audio. As soon as you hear an incorrect word, simply highlight it. Click there and the word will be highlighted. So let's get started with the practice question 1. Now we have to highlight incorrect words. Okay. Audio will play in another 4 seconds. Let's get started. Simply highlight incorrect.
Women are so much better than men at so many things. But according to a report published by the Royal Society, chess is not one of them. The topic of sex differences when it comes to matters of the mind is, needless to say, a divisive one. Those who wish to argue that women are just not as smart as men often point to chess as their proof. Although girls can obviously play, no woman's ever been a world champion. But before looking for cultural or biological explanations for the disparity, scientists say you need to do the math.
So guys, the most important thing here is to move the cursor along with the audio, and as soon as you hear like an incorrect word, simply highlighted. Here, instead of accomplished, they use some other word. Instead of psychological, they use biological. So we need to take care of this. Assumably, they used obviously. So we need to listen for the incorrect words. Once we have gotten to know, instead of accomplished, they have used some other word. We'll simply click here and the word will be highlighted. That's what we have to do. Let's do the second question in order to get clarity. But what do we need to focus on? We need to focus on like listening to the information properly as well as focusing on the text, moving the cursor along with the audio. Okay, let's proceed on to the next question.
It's like a publishing version of one of those scenes from a sci-fi movie where an alien invasion impels traditional adversaries to join together to face their larger common threat. Today, 56 newspapers in Pakistan and India, in Israel and Lebanon, in Taiwan and China, in Greece and Turkey, in Africa and in North, South and Central America are publishing an unprecedented joint editorial calling for meaningful action to face the threat posed by climate change. The editorial, published in 45 countries in 20 different languages, appears on this first day of the Copenhagen Climate Conference. The British paper, The Guardian, led the effort, which involved weeks of negotiations to reach a final version.
So these are the incorrect words: propels, explaining, dead, and advent. So here, what exactly we did? We were focusing on the audio, we were listening to the audio carefully, and alongside, we were moving the cursor along with the audio. We were moving the cursor. Our cursor was pointed whatever word they were saying. So we need to move the cursor along with the audio, and as soon as we hear an incorrect word, we simply need to click there in order to highlight it. Now, if you do these two questions properly, you can easily score 17 marks. You'll get 9 marks for reading and 8 marks for listening. So please do it properly and practice at least 5 questions daily like such. Now let's look at the answers of highlight incorrect words. Accomplished, incorrect word. Okay. Addiction, incorrect word. Assumably, incorrect word. Psychological. Next, propels, incorrect, explaining, incorrect, advent, incorrect, and dead, incorrect. So all the answers are correct. So bus simply follow the same strategy, move the cursor along with the audio. As soon as you hear an incorrect word, kindly highlight it. That's it. I hope you all have understood the way you have to attempt this task. Simply follow the same strategy and practice 10 questions like such. After practicing 10 questions at your home, Do let me know in the comment section whether the strategy works or not. And if you want to join our sessions, simply contact us on the number given below. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.